Okay, we're opening up a brand new scene here to build a pillar. So I want to give you some examples about using my workflow efficiently to build low poly structures. So this is nothing new, but as soon as there's something new, I promise I will stop building something and show you what I'm doing. So we're thinking pillar, we're thinking low poly, and I'm just giving you some of the tools available to you. Okay, you see, and I just made a column, and I did that using the same techniques I showed you before. Here's where I do something a little bit different, is I need to blend these two forms together. Certainly I can make a pillar out of a curve, but then you wouldn't be able to yield the hard edge results, and you wouldn't be able to keep it as low as poly. So what I'm going to do here is take this face. No, first off I'm going to jump into the top view and insert some edge loops. So I'm going to insert an edge loop here and here. And then I'm going to jump back into the bottom half of this and go to face, take all these faces and extrude them and shrink them in. And now I could do this in my top view, and I can get an understanding of where I need to place these, as far as I can get them close to the center point. Okay, so there. Okay, good. And now I can jump into this view and I can grab these vertices and I can scale them in, closely matching the one at the bottom. There we go. And if I need them perfect, I can then move a couple by hand. But at least I have that template in the background. There we go. Okay, now I'll insert another edge loop. And again, I might have both showing just so I can go in here, insert the edge loop, but get it very close to that one. That way I can take the vertices and then move them using either scale or move. In this case, I'm just going to choose to scale them out a little bit. Scale these out a little bit. And then I'm going to be kind of smart about how I get rid of this, because if I go control right click to edge ring, and then control right click to faces, I can just delete this center part, and then I can grab face, control right click to shell, and delete that one. So that saves you a huge amount of time as far as this. This is what would you do in week 1. Remember? This is exactly how you would do it week 1 or week 2. So keep in mind, you're trying to excel yourself, start using control right click. Okay, these two objects, I'm just going to combine these together and then bridge them and use 0 divisions and hit apply. There we go. Okay, now this thing needs an extra little oomph on it. First off, it also needs the ability to take and mirror it down. So dog Victor. And it looks like I'm going to mirror this in X and Z. So let's mirror cut it in X and Z. And there we go, we have a pillar. Very undecorated one, but it's getting there. Okay, now meet me in the next video where I can cover some more of this.